This is a basic overview of the Genesis CAD system, just the sort of basic features available. As per normal, it's got a menu at the top. You can see by moving your cursor across, you can pick functions like you normally do, like for instance there, I've selected the paper size. Here, for instance, I can access the way of editing parameters for drawing elements. Each individual feature of the system will depend on this. But here, for instance, I could go and change all the hatching or all the vector fonts or balloons in the system. So this is how you would access basic functionality within the system by pulling down a menu. Of course, you can also right-click, various options available to zoom into the drawing, and various other facilities. You've also got the ability to use toolbars. You can click in the blue area over there, then you can turn toolbars on and off. You can move them around and place them. They will dock onto the side of the system. You can move them around and you can place these toolbars where you want to. Next time you start the system, it will remember where they were, and you can then take it from there. So you can see there, we're moving the toolbars around and we can dock it where we want it to be. You can turn these toolbars on and off. And you can see there, we turn one off and we turn that one off over there as well. So these are sort of basic ways that we can navigate around the system, clicking various drawings, and we can have multiple drawings open at the same time. What is also important is we can have docking windows. These are more complex tools that you can attach next to the system. So for instance, there is a control panel where we can turn things on and off, toggles. This is something common tasks. The system will remember what we are doing, and we can dock this onto the side of the viewing screen. So for instance, there I'm clicking a function to draw a rectangle. I click a point down, and I'm using the entry line, and I type in the size of that rectangle, 1000 by 1000 millimeters. Press enter, and that is 1000 by 1000 rectangle. Here I'm going to do a rectangle that is 2000 in X by 1000 in Y, and there you go. I've got that drawn. I'm now going to hatch it, create hatching in there, and press do it, and it will create a hatching for me. This is just an example of using one of the toolbars. And again, click in there. I'm now going to change the parameters of that hatching. I'm going to change it to represent concrete. You'll see I pick concrete from the list there. And I'm going to use the menu to go and edit these two hatches that I've just created. There you can see, very simple to create the hatching. I'm going to click the toolbar. I'm going to delete a hatch. I'm going to use the undo function to undo the hatching that I've just deleted. And there we go. And I'm going to zoom into that. It will now make it bigger for me. I've also got various other ways of quickly zooming around the drawing. And you can see this is the general feel of using the system. Toolbars, docking windows, input line, prompt line that will tell you what to do. So that is a basic overview of how the system is operating. You can see their toolbars are being dragged around. Please refer to other videos available on our YouTube channel where you could go, and you'll see now I'm going to click online resources. It will take me to YouTube, and there's more help available there to show you how to use different features. And if you want to ask me to do some more features for you or how to, please let me know, and we'll update some more videos for you and upload it to YouTube. We're also available on Facebook, and we're working on our website as well. So many different ways of getting information on how to use the system. Well, hopefully you can get an idea as to how Genesis CAD works.